Alright, y'all, so do not mind my hair. And don't mind these eyelashes either. Hold on, y'all. Got the gloss coming. Hold on. I need some. Oh, that's too much. I'm doing a lot of talking. Anyway, so let me get started. Who that? Oh. This looks like so I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I used to use that Anastasia pomade, but right now I went to Walmart and found something that is literally the same thing. Promise you. Ask around, promise you. Salon Perfect Done in One Brow Pomade Dark Brown. And I'm telling you, it is literally the same thing. And then, here we go. I need to, I'm sorry. Oh, don't fall, baby. Don't fall, baby. Okay, I'm annoying. Okay, let's get it popping. Can y'all see? I don't know. Who knows? Oh, my face. I can't do this one. This one ain't going up. I should do this before. That's crazy. See? And y'all was gonna tell me nothing. That's funny. That's funny, y'all. That's hilarious. Alexa, play Erykah Badu. Alexa, turn it up. Alexa.
Alexa. Alexa.
I better not say it one more time. Alexa, turn it up. That's all I needed was some music. Thank you, Alexa. Black lights. It sounds like a different word every time. She switching it up. Uh-oh. Cause you got too much stuff. So are we done with the brows already or what? I can't close that eye by itself. That's the problem. Close the eye, lift the eyebrow, keep this eye open. Too much. Too much for me. You guys seriously do not look at my eyeball, please. That is so ugly. Just let me finish this real quick, okay? Stop looking. Wow, this one's doing the same thing. That's crazy. way too much, y'all. And I don't know if y'all noticed, but I play way too much. And that's all I know. And I need to quit it. Oh, y'all. This is a brush. It's from the Wish app. And you see why it was $2. That was it, y'all. That's the brows, okay?